November 12th we did you?
Yeah.
Okay, so, usually what, we do 12 weeks, right?
Or was that?
Yeah, I did you. Yeah, that's November 12th, I have it down. Okay, so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, but what about your white spot?
I'm just spraying it.
Oh, okay, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. Okay, Saturday the 4th of February.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, I have a doctor's appointment at 9 here. You know, it's on the telephone. Yeah. So what time do you want to come?
So, by 10 would be done?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.